Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious American SUVs of the future, the 2026 Lincoln Aviator. This gray-colored masterpiece blends elegance, power, and technology in a way that truly redefines what a premium SUV should be. If you're someone who loves class, comfort, and performance all in one package, then this is a vehicle that deserves your full attention. So sit back, relax, and let's take a detailed tour of the 2026 Lincoln Aviator, from its stunning exterior design to its plush interior, thrilling performance, and, of course, pricing details that'll help you decide if it's worth your money. Exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Lincoln Aviator immediately commands presence. The gray color gives it a bold yet refined appeal, not flashy, but confidently luxurious. Lincoln has given this new model a refreshed exterior design that enhances aerodynamics while maintaining its signature elegance. The sculpted hood lines flow seamlessly into the new adaptive pixel LED headlights, which not only look sleek but also intelligently adjust their beam pattern based on driving conditions. The signature Lincoln grille has also been slightly redesigned, more refined, wider, and highlighted by chrome accents that glimmer beautifully under sunlight. The chrome detailing continues along the window trims and the side skirts, adding a sense of class without being too loud. The front bumper integrates active air intakes that improve cooling and efficiency, while the lower fascia gives it a sportier tone. From the side, the Aviator maintains its strong proportions, long, muscular, and balanced. The 22-inch turbine-style alloy wheels complement the vehicle's stance perfectly, offering both elegance and strength. You'll notice the floating roof design, giving it a premium, almost coupe-like silhouette that looks stunning from every angle. The retractable door handles, inspired by Lincoln's quiet luxury philosophy, pop out gracefully as you approach, thanks to the proximity sensors. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar is a design signature Lincoln fans have come to love. The taillights sweep across the tailgate, giving a wide and commanding presence at night. The rear bumper features chrome dual exhaust outlets integrated beautifully within the design, subtle yet powerful. Overall, the 2026 Aviator exudes sophistication and quiet dominance, blending luxury design cues with futuristic touches that make it stand out in the crowd. Step inside, and the first word that comes to mind is serenity. The 2026 Lincoln Aviator's cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a vehicle interior. The brand has focused on creating a calm, premium environment, and it truly delivers. The gray exterior color pairs beautifully with the soft light cream and black interior tones, accented by open-pore wood trims and satin aluminum finishes. Every surface you touch feels premium, from the leather-wrapped steering wheel to the handcrafted dashboard. The 30-way perfect position front seats continue to be one of Lincoln's biggest bragging points. They feature heating, cooling, massage, and even customizable thigh support for each leg, a level of comfort that's hard to match in this segment. The second-row captain's chairs are equally impressive, with available ventilation, armrests, and a center console with climate controls and USB-C ports. The third row remains spacious enough for adults on shorter trips, though it's clearly designed with children or occasional passengers in mind. Still, the power folding function makes accessing the third row incredibly convenient. Front and center is the new 15.5-inch floating touchscreen, powered by Lincoln's latest SWNC5 system. It's faster, more intuitive, and supports over-the-air updates. The interface is clean, with redesigned icons, voice recognition improvements, and seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, all wireless. Right behind the steering wheel, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides crisp graphics and customizable themes depending on your drive mode. The available head-up display projects key information directly onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. Adding to the sense of tranquility, the Revel Ultima 3D audio system fills the cabin with breathtaking sound quality. With over 28 strategically placed speakers, including ones in the headliner, the sound experience feels immersive, like a live concert on wheels. Lincoln also continues its signature, symphonic chime, startup sounds, replacing harsh dings with calming, custom-recorded orchestral tones. The ambient lighting system adds another layer of luxury, with over 20 color settings that adapt to your mood or drive mode. Whether you're on a night cruise or an early morning commute, the Aviator creates the perfect atmosphere inside. Storage is plentiful, with a large center console, deep door pockets, and power-folding rear seats that open up massive cargo space. When the third row is down, you get a flat loading area ideal for family trips or weekend adventures. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Lincoln Aviator offers both traditional and electrified powertrains. The standard version comes with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing around 400 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque, paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission. This engine delivers smooth yet potent acceleration, ensuring you never feel underpowered. The throttle response has been tuned for better refinement, and turbo lag is virtually eliminated. But the real excitement lies in the Grand Touring plug-in hybrid variant. It combines the same twin-turbo V6 with an advanced electric motor, generating a total output of 494 horsepower and 630 lb-ft of torque, serious power for an SUV of this class. This hybrid system allows short-distance all-electric driving, perfect for city commutes, while maintaining exceptional long-distance performance. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes around 5.2 seconds for the hybrid version, giving you instant torque and buttery smooth power delivery. The EV mode operates silently, and when the gas engine kicks in, it transitions almost unnoticeably. Lincoln's engineers have mastered the balance between performance and serenity. The adaptive air suspension system is another highlight. It continuously adjusts the ride height and damping based on road conditions and drive mode. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough terrain, the Aviator glides over imperfections effortlessly. The Road Preview feature uses front cameras to scan the road and pre-adjust the suspension for upcoming bumps, ensuring maximum comfort. There are multiple drive modes, including normal, excite, conserve, deep conditions, and pure EV. Each mode alters throttle sensitivity, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and even ambient lighting tone to suit your mood. Handling has improved significantly, with better weight distribution and more responsive steering. Despite its size, the Aviator feels stable and composed around corners, maintaining a luxury-first approach to driving dynamics. Noise insulation has been upgraded too. You'll barely hear wind or road noise thanks to active noise cancellation and acoustic glass panels. Fuel economy is also commendable. The standard V6 offers around 22 miles per gallon combined, while the Grand Touring Hybrid can achieve over 50 miles per gallon equivalent in electric-assisted driving. Charging the hybrid's battery takes about 3.5 hours using a level 2 charger, and it can deliver up to 30 miles of pure electric range, perfect for short commutes. Prices. Now, let's talk about what all this luxury and performance will cost you. The 2026 Lincoln Aviator lineup is expected to start around $58,000 for the base model, while the reserve trim moves closer to $66,000. The top-end Black Label version, with exclusive interior themes, 22-inch wheels, and advanced driver aids, will reach around $83,000. If you go for the Grand Touring Hybrid, pricing starts at about $72,000 and can top out near $90,000 fully loaded. Yes, it's a premium price tag, but when you consider what the Aviator offers, it's easy to see why it stands shoulder to shoulder with European rivals like the Audi Q7, BMW X7, and Volvo XC90 Recharge. It's built for those who want an SUV that's not just powerful or spacious, but truly refined. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Lincoln Aviator? It's a near-perfect balance of luxury, technology, and performance. The exterior design radiates quiet confidence, the interior feels like a first-class lounge, and the powertrain options offer both thrilling performance and eco-friendly capability. Lincoln has once again proven that American luxury can rival the best from Europe and Japan, with its own unique identity rooted in comfort, craftsmanship, and innovation. If you're looking for a premium SUV that pampers every passenger while still delivering strong performance and modern technology, the 2026 Lincoln Aviator should be at the top of your list. That's it for today's deep dive review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews just like this one. Drop a comment below and tell us what you think about the new Lincoln Aviator. Would you pick it over the German luxury SUVs? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.